In countless kitchens worldwide, garlic holds its rightful place as a staple ingredient, boasting a rich history spanning centuries. Beyond merely seasoning culinary delights, it has long been revered for its diverse applications in home remedies. Its versatility knows no bounds, lending flavor to dishes, repelling pests, and even weaving its way into age-old tales of warding off vampires. Yet, beyond folklore lies a trove of undeniable health benefits nestled within this humble bowl. Garlic, a nutrient powerhouse, packs a punch with every clove. Though calorically dense, its consumption is typically modest, rendering weight gain from garlic alone a near impossibility. Laden with complex carbohydrates and proteins, it not only enhances physical vigor but also fortifies mental well-being. Bursting with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium, it's a veritable elixir of health. Allicin, its sulfuric essence, imbues garlic with antimicrobial properties, combating infections, metabolic disorders, and respiratory ailments alike. The list of garlic's virtues extends further, embracing cardiovascular health with its potent blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. From regulating cholesterol levels to maintaining optimal blood pressure, garlic champions the cause of a robust circulatory system. Its prowess in promoting blood flow and thwarting premature aging further underscores its status as a panacea. Surpassing even certain prescribed antibiotics, garlic stands as a formidable foe against pathogens, while alleviating fluid retention and tissue inflammation. But why the curious custom of placing garlic beneath one's pillow? An age-old tradition passed down through generations, this ritual holds the promise of restorative sleep, particularly for those plagued by insomnia. The sulfuric compounds and distinct aroma of garlic wield a calming influence, lulling one into a deep slumber. While the pungent scent may initially pose a challenge, its benefits soon outweigh any olfactory discomfort, ushering in nights of undisturbed rest and rejuvenation. For those seeking to harness garlic's sleep-inducing prowess, a natural concoction presents itself as an inviting solution. Ingredients: 1 glass of milk, 1 clove of garlic, crushed 1 teaspoon of honey. Directions: combine garlic and milk in a saucepan, bringing to a boil. Simmer for 3 minutes, then allow to cool. Add honey, stir, and savor. Consume approximately 30 minutes before bedtime for optimal results. Beyond its culinary allure, garlic emerges as a steadfast ally in the pursuit of well-being, offering solace to weary souls in search of restful nights. If this revelation resonates with you, a thumbs up and a share would be greatly appreciated. For more culinary inspiration and health tips, consider subscribing to our channel, where every video is a journey toward a healthier, happier you. Embrace the garlic revolution, and let its myriad benefits transform your life. Health Guide, Healthy Life Secrets.